So we have 4 dogs. There's 3 at the moment, and we've got one over there. And they're all having a little play. They're all nice dogs. They're all just having a little play today. Hello! Hello! You don't want a cigarette? No. That's Gracia. I don't know the other dog's name. Gracious's really nice. She's getting a bit tired now, I think. But they all play.
Ano? Yeah, there you. Ano? Huh?
Food! Streets! No, you don't want a cigarette, no.
Nah?
No smoke.
Up? Nah? Yeah, no, listen.
So you're getting a bit knackered?
Behind, kakaya.
Yes. Oh, munchies. So you're getting a bit knackered, aren't you?
Ano po di halik kakapit? Ano po di halik?
Oh, it's going to be a little bit good, yeah. Yeah, this is obviously the lead dog shelter. It is very cool. Okay, so I think you're getting a bit knackered. Right, I'll post this video soon. Give a thumbs up, please, if you like the video. If you love dogs, then certainly give it a thumbs up. Bye for now.